Eating eggs daily. Unveiling the surprising truth. 1. Protein powerhouse. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. 2. Nutrient-rich. Loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, and choline, crucial for brain health. 3. Heart health. Contrary to old beliefs, moderate egg consumption is associated with improved heart health. 4. Weight management. Eggs are filling and low in calories, aiding in weight loss and control. 5. Eye health. Rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs promote healthy vision. 6. Blood sugar control. Eggs have a minimal effect on blood sugar levels, making them suitable for diabetics. 7. Brain boost. Choline in eggs supports brain development and cognitive function. 8. Versatile. Eggs can be prepared in various ways, making them a versatile and convenient food option. 9. Budget-friendly. Economical and widely available, eggs offer nutritional value without breaking the bank.